All the world is celebrating the world 50th anniversary of World Environment Day. Every year the world celebrates the Environment Day on 5th June and the theme for this year is Beat Plastic Pollution. Environmental challenges, so it is the urge of the day to fight against environmental issues and take actions. With a theme Beat Plastic Pollution, World Environment Day call upon individuals and communities to make a positive impact. On World Environment Day, seminars were conducted to create awareness among masses and to protect the environment from plastic pollution. The plastic waste is becoming a global issue and its effects are not only ocean life, plant and vegetation but also human life in the form of microplastic in foods. Reduce the plastic, so there are many ways like reduce, reuse and recycle. With the help of sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and raising awareness, we can create a greener future. Let us unite in our commitment to combat climate change, promote ocean biodiversity, and safeguard the earth from generation to come. And safeguard the earth for generation to come. Together we can make a difference on this environment day.